everyone, it's Whitney. Welcome to today's DIY. Now today's DIY might be one of the most unconventional ideas I've had here on this channel, and I am not sure if this is going to work out, so we're gonna find out together. Today's DIY is kind of the creative solution to a previous video that I did. I swapped out a old mattress in a room makeover recently, and I've had this queen size memory foam mattress just sitting around, and I don't really know what to do with it. It's not good enough to sell or donate really, and I just can't bring myself to bring it to the landfill. So I've been looking at this mattress, kind of trying to rack my brain of what I can do with it, how to repurpose it to give it a new life and to keep it out of the landfill. And I think that I have the answer to that question today. I happened upon this daybed at the thrift store, and I was like, what if I cut down that memory foam mattress to fit this daybed, and then this could be the comfy couch solution for the deck. So in my mind at the thrift store, this works out beautifully. But in reality today, we're gonna find out if that's true. This is a beautiful daybed. It's originally from World Market and it's still in production. It's so rare that I find things at the thrift store that are still in production. So if you wanted to recreate something exactly like this, I will have that linked below so you can check it out. I think it's $4.99, which is actually a really good price for a beautiful boho inspired daybed. Now this is not rated for outdoors. I'm putting it outdoors because I spent 50 bucks on it. I will update you in the description bar below in some time and see how this holds up in the weather. But for 50 bucks and a mattress that was intended for the landfill, we might as well try it, right? I'm gonna show you in a little bit what I got to waterproof this mattress. But first things first, let's take some measurements and then get to cutting. This is the Zenith 12-inch green tea infused memory foam mattress. I love these mattresses. They are fantastic. But I just had to take this one out because the tenant we had was a smoker and the mattress kind of took on a smoke smell. So that's why I had to replace it. I had to cut the encasement mattress protector off because the zipper was broken, but that's okay. We're not going to be using this mattress protector anyway. So let's just go ahead and measure. A twin is 75 by 38. And then we're going to do a test cut just to see if this is going to work. Right now this is upside down, so this is the bottom. We're just gonna go. We're just gonna try this. Oh my God. Am I crazy? Or is this gonna work? I have no idea. So what we're working with is 3 layers of memory foam, and I think this is like the green tea infused gel memory foam topper. Now I want to keep this on to kind of keep everything together, but this might get stuck in the Sawzall. So we're gonna just do a test run and see how it goes. Oh my God. I think it might work. I also have a jigsaw, so I'm going to test this out and see which one I like cutting better with, the jigsaw or the Sawzall. Definitely the Sawzall, not the jigsaw. This ain't gonna cut it, sis. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to cut this. Since my Sawzall blade isn't gonna go all the way through the whole thing, I think I might move this just to the ground so I can straddle this and then be able to get like a straighter cut. Okay. Regular memory foam was super easy to cut through. This one was a little bit harder because it's that like, it's a green tea gel infused topper. It's like really stretchy. This was the only part that the Sawzall had a little bit of an issue with. Since this mattress is not rated for outdoors, we need to waterproof it to the max. So I got 3 waterproof mattress protectors. I'm gonna put 2 just regular zippered encasement ones on and then 1 decorative one on top of that. These 2 are from the Utopia bedding brand. They're zippered encasement, so it shouldn't let any water through. Wait a second, what? No! I ordered twins, but they sent 2 queens. Oh man. Well, I'll show you the pretty one that I got. Hopefully that's a twin. Is it a twin? Queen! What the hell? Oh my god. Did I order queens? No. Alright, so I just got off the phone with Amazon. It was my fault. I accidentally ordered the queens. I don't know. Just ordered 2 more of the twin size of this Utopia one. The quality is really great. The zipper is nice. They do feel like they're going to be 100% waterproof, especially if I'm going to be doing 2 layers of this. This corally one is the one I got from Classic Home Textile, but I don't know if this color is actually going to work. This house is a little bit more fun, more funky, lots of color. But I don't know if this corally color is actually going to work for what I got going on. So I'm going to show you the pillows I ordered. So let me know in the comments below if you actually do like this corally color. I think I might order they call it yellow, but it's kind of like an ivory. There's also a gray and a navy. I picked up these 2 outdoor bolster pillows from Wayfair. They were on clearance a couple weeks ago. They might still have them. I'll try to find it and link them below if you're looking for something like this. I got these 3 pillows off of the Crate and Barrel clearance, like end of summer clearance sale. I will try to link them below for you. So all 3 of these are meant for outdoors. I love this little mod print. It is totally the vibe of this house. It is like really squishy and really soft. It almost feels like a down alternative. It's kind of hard to find nice plushy outdoor pillows. They're all kind of like that stiff, rigid fiberfill, but this is really nice. Really? Really? Is that flat? Oh my god, guys. What the heck about is this? Hopefully this will fluff up because this is kind of pathetic. I love this fringe detail. This kind of like braiding cording looks really nice, and hopefully these will fluff up to be like a nice, like comfortable pillow. Right now they're looking a little sad, but we'll give it a fair shot and let it fluff up. So I just loosely kind of put this corally one on the end to kind of see how it goes with the pillows. So we have that yellow bolster pillow, a little bit of the yellow in there, a little bit of ivory. But when you kind of look at it, it looks a little like little girl's room. But I feel like if we just stuck with white, it's like it's too stark. It's not warm enough. The twin size mattress protectors have arrived, so let's go put them on the bed and see how it looks. Yay, twin. All right, first one on, and it fits. We cut it to the right size. That is really exciting. Now let's put the second one on. So the first layer, the zipper's over there. So from the second layer, I'm going to flip it so the zipper's over here. So it's been a few days since we put these 2 waterproof mattress protectors on, and the third one finally arrived. So I picked it up in a navy blue. It is a twin. I really wanted the yellow one that they sell. I think that would work out really well for this bed, but they were out of stock, so I picked up the navy, and now they have a new one in a camel color, which might work out even better. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments below if you like this navy, if you think the yellow will work, or the camel color will work. Let me know your thoughts. While I was on Amazon, I picked up some throw blankets and some outdoor pillow covers. So let's make this bed cozy and lay down and take a nap. So this top one goes on like a fitted sheet. I thought this would be the easiest to add another layer of waterproof protection, but also be relatively easy to take off and throw in the wash if I need to. This is a vinyl backing that is the waterproof section, so I think this is gonna work out really well. So I have these old outdoor pillows, but I picked up these velvet pillow covers from Muley. These are meant for outdoors. This is a beautiful kind of like a dusty rose mauve color. There is an invisible zipper. The velvet feels great quality, and I love this little textural detail that's sewn on the front. So I'm just gonna cut this off. Hopefully it's a pillow, not just fill. It's just fill. Great. So the reason I'm cutting this open and taking the fill out is even if I just cut this flange off, the pillow would still be a little bit too big to fit into my new pillowcase. So I'm just gonna be transferring the fiber fill in. So that's okay. Both of these knitted throw blankets are from the Lamal brand on Amazon. They are 100% acrylic machine washable. They have this kind of like little bubble texture kind of knitted in. It's super cute. Both of them have tassels on the shorter sides. They are pretty standard throw size. They're 50 by 60. This is in the color khaki, which is more of like a camel color, and then this is in the color cream. I feel like they are pretty good texture. I feel like they might get nicer as you wash them, and they have a ton of colors, like a ton of really fun pastel-y colors. They're great, and they're only like $24.99. Now this one like super surprised me. This is from the Hormote brand on Amazon. I wasn't sure the quality of it because it is a polyester Sherpa, and sometimes those can look really, really cheap, but this is actually really nice, super soft. The tassels are great. The construction on here is pretty good, but it's 25 bucks and it's super duper cozy. And the best thing about this is it is 60 by 80. If you're a taller person like me, get you a longer throw, you will thank me. I'm really impressed by this. This is a really nice polyester Sherpa, and the tassels, like there's a little detail stitching on the tassels, which is so cute. This is in the color light brown. They also have a ton of other color selections if you wanted something different. They also have one without tassels. I don't know, I think I would opt for the one with tassels. This just makes it feel a little bit more special. If it didn't have tassels, I don't know, it might not be worth the $25, but I don't know, I'm digging this. I like this. Good find. We did it. I love how this DIY turned out. I think these mattress protectors are gonna do a really great job protecting this mattress. I love all the throw pillows and the throw blankets. I cannot wait for like a crispy fall day. Right now it's actually getting ready to rain, but like a fall crispy day with your coffee and just sit out here and enjoy this. I am excited for that. So thank you for joining me on today's video and figuring this out with me. All right, I will see you all on the next one. Bye.